ask the COMSEC, how can you not locate Espinosa when he attended the hearing in the Quad Commission, Quad Committee?
Your Honor, we asked the Quadcom Committee Secretary for his address, but he did not reply.
Nako po!
Who did not reply?
The Quadcom
Nako
Committee
po!
Secretary.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senator Bato, yes.
yeah, I would rather that next hearing, we have to require their presence, Mr. Chair, because I can only surmise with their absence that they don't want their statements that they have given before the House of Representatives to be
Nako po!
debunked before this body, Mr. Chair. Ayaw nilang lumabas ang katotohanan kapag ayaw nilang pumunta dito.
Nako po!
Oh, that's it. That's my only observation, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
I just would like to amend the motion of Senator Bato that we issue a subpoena ducis tecum against all those who were invited but did not attend in today's hearing.
a correction daw. Ma'am Espino is here?
Yes.
Mina, so okay. So,
I'm sorry.
Subpoena
I
at
start-
testificando. Yes, okay, ganito.
I'm sorry.
Okay, ganito gawin natin, okay? It has been manifested that Mr. Guban is under the custody of the House.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, they should have allowed him to
Garma!
attend.
Leonardo!
He has been requested by Senator Bato kasi to be
There is no
here. So,
Garma,
the two
tsaka
others
si
under the
Leonardo!
custody of the House are sick.
Lahat ng mga nag-aakusa kay PRRD, putang ina, wala!
Scheduled important medical procedure or examination. So we understand, we are reasonable people. Doon lang ako nagtaka kay Mr. Jerry Guban, bakit hindi siya pwede if he's under the custody of the House. How come the House
Just
did
Jenny,
not
good
allow
morning.
us to have him here before us, my colleague. So anyway, at any rate, the remedy
Yung mga hindi pa nakapag-like, palike naman. Maraming salamat. Thank
the
you.
issuance of a subpoena to all
Subpoena at
yes,
testificandum. I stand corrected, Mr. Chair.
yes. Siguro and we appeal to the House that for those people that they know the address is off. I mean, share the address. Share the address of these people.
Ayaw ibigay yung
And
address
of
ng
course,
House.
the
Alam
committee
ng
will
putang
also
ina.
exert
Ayaw
utmost
ibigay ng
efforts
Quadcom
to
yung mga address ng mga...
find these people
Putang
and
ina
get their
talaga.
addresses. So ganun na muna. In the meantime, my dear colleagues, ganun, we issue a subpoena to all those in the original list of invitees
We will
na
comply,
hindi
Your Honor.
pumunta ngayon, o even those with excuse letters.
Redongski Channel
subpoena.
TV, shout out sa'yo.
Susunod na issue.
We will comply, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, may I know what would be the next move that this body is going to take if after we have given them, issued them a subpoena, still, they will not be allowed by the House since the House is having custody over their living body. If they will not be allowed to attend before this hearing, what will we do?
I will coordinate with the House chairpersons. Actually, I talked to Chairman Ace Barbers and nabanggit din naman niya sa akin yung medical request of Colonel Garma. Kaya I had an idea na may conflict sa schedule. But si Jerry Guban, I'm surprised bakit hindi nila mapadala rito. So, but we will coordinate. Siguro doon na muna. Okay,
Thank
basta ang understanding natin dito, subpoena will be issued to those who did not, who were invited, or even those who we failed to notify. Subpoena na tayo diretso para sa next hearing, hindi sayang ang panahon natin. Sino pang dumating? Yes, Ermina is here. Nasabi ko. Can we ask a committee secretary, kasi late dumating po si Ma'am, ano sir, complete name? Ermina Espino. Ma'am Ermina Espino, please, mag-o-taking po tayo. Sige, committee secretary, go ahead.